Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iOS 16 Bluetooth not working. The new iOS 16 update is now available for download, and as ever there are some issues that some people are suffering. While most people have been able to update without any problems at all, others are reporting that they are experiencing some notable Bluetooth issues, including being unable to connect to devices simply not appearing, or poor quality streaming audio. So I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. So let's start the video without wasting any time. But first, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So the first thing you should go for is restart your device. It might seem like the obvious thing, but you would be surprised how often just restarting your iPhone is enough to get things back to normal. For this, go to your settings and then click on General. Scroll down. Here you have the option of shutdown. So shut down your phone and after a minute turn it on, and hope so your problem is fixed. And the next step is reset Bluetooth. Sometimes turning Bluetooth off and then back on again is enough to unstick whatever is misbehaving. So for this, go to your settings and then click on Bluetooth and then turn it off and then turn it on again, and you are done. And the next step is forget devices. If you have a device that is not playing well with iOS 16, try forgetting it and then reading it afresh. Go to your settings and then tap on Bluetooth and then tap on the eye icon beside the device name, and here tap on forget this device and confirm. Now pair your iPhone or iPad with the device once more and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. For reset network settings, launch the settings app, scroll down and then tap on General. Scroll down and here you have the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it and then click on reset. Here you have the option of reset network settings and you are done. And the next step is restore iPhone to its factory settings. Our last option is to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone or iPad. So have faith and do it. Backup the device before restoring it to prevent data loss. Backup iPhone if data is essential for you. For the first step, launch the setting app, scroll down and then go to General. Scroll down and here you have the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it and then tap on erase all contents and settings. After resetting or erasing your iPhone, restore data on iPhone like new. Hopes this solution will fix your issue, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.